Hello, we're here today at Sleep Clement to this custom 8.5 by 20 concession trailer. Starting off with the front, we can see there's a generator platform. You can see the tongue jack, safety chains, breakaway cable, light connection cable, coupler for a 2 5/16 ball. On the front there's also an access door. This access door will give access to the plumbing components as well as the electric components. This trailer is black with blackout trim. It's a half wall porch where the upper sections will flip up. The trailer does have crank jacks on all 4 corners of the trailer. This right here will be our RV style drain connection. So it'll have a 3-inch cap. Once you pull and release the pressure, you'll be able to dump, and then you'll just push it back in. So I have this right here to control it, and this cap will come off. This trailer has steel wheels with radial tires. This trailer has 2 6-lug axles on there, so each one of those is going to be rated for 5,200 pounds. On the back onto the porch, we can see there's a little side ramp. There's a latch on each side for the ramp. You can pull, twist, it'll unlatch, and then once you release and have this twist, it'll go right through. And that way you can lock it in place. This trailer has a rear entry door with a bar lock and RV style flush lock. As we can see on the back, we also have a exterior outlet. There we go. Look on the inside of the trailer. We'll have the 3-bay sink, hand washing sink. 3-bay sink does have drain boards. You can see the hand washing sink. And there's upper cabinets above the sink area. Below the sinks, there's a cabinet base with these push button locks. When each one of these doors are opened up, they'll give access to the underside where we're going to have our components, such as the water heater, freshwater storage tank, PVC piping, PEX piping. We can see the back side of a TV enclosure. When we go to the other side, we'll be able to take a look at it. There's a 23 cubic foot refrigerator installed, as well as a proofing cabinet in this unit with wood for the walls. That way the customer can finish it out how they would like. This unit does have an AC and heat unit, LED interior lights. Miscellaneous outlets where they might be needed. There'll be a proofing cabinet when you first walk inside the door. Now with the lights, we'll have interior and exterior light switches there. Yeah. With the RV style flush lock, you'll have a lock for the deadbolt, a lock for the handle,
4 and 5, 82 and 6. But it's supposed to rain overnight and early this morning.
This trailer does have roller wheels on it as well. So we'll take a look at those scissor jacks and the roll wheels. Going towards the front on the passenger side, you can see the TV enclosure. It's hard to see, but there is an outlet in here for the TV enclosure. If you have any additional questions on this unit, please feel free to give us a call at 615-641-7720 and we'll be happy to assist you. Thank you. Have a great day.